It's the 120th anniversary of Koh Samui.
Sup, snowbirds?
Sup, snowbirds?
Welcome to another hot and sweaty day here in Koh Samui.
We're feeling a little bit rough this morning, not gonna lie.
Yep, spent the morning and afternoon nursing our hangover, doing some laundry, and we weren't gonna go out today, but
it's the 120th anniversary of Koh Samui. They have a huge free buffet on Chewang Beach. It actually set Guinness World Record for
biggest buffet.
And it's free.
Absolutely free.
There's
so we are
top
going
chefs there.
Yep, from all over the island. Pretty much the entire island comes down to the beach. So we were there just a couple minutes ago while we waited for our laundry, and it was packed.
Yeah.
It is starting right now. We are 5 minutes into it. It all started at 6 o'clock.
Time
Free
to go
food!
eat.
Free food! Come on, guys. It is packed. We are moving at a snail's pace. We are through the blockage. Got some movement now.
No clue what this is, but it's cold and really spicy and my mouth is on fire.
So yeah, it's not just like cheap food. These are like 5-star restaurant kind of chefs that are just coming out and feeding everyone. So it's delicious. Free and delicious. My favorite.
Plate number 2. Again, not really sure what it is, but there's gonna be spicy.
Alright, so we're kind of just rushing through each place, trying to get as much food as possible. So we're gonna stop, eat this plate, move on to the next one. And it's hard to describe on camera, but it's literally the entire beach of different food. So, got a long day, long night of
Eating.
Long night of free food eating. So if you're a broke backpacker, come to Koh Samui on September 29th.
Sure could use some water. So spicy. I need a drink. Anything.
There's actually garbages everywhere, which is nice, so the place isn't littered with trash the whole time. But just to cut down on even more plastic, I'm saving my plate using the same one, and I have my foldable utensil. No plastic for me.
Thank you.
Join the queue for the Caesar salad. Uh-oh. Sneaking you. Give us a couple minutes to enjoy this burrito and fries. Or this chicken Caesar wrap. Chicken Caesar wrap. Yum. It's about almost 7 o'clock and lots of places are finished with their food and starting to pack up. So if you are going to come, make sure you get here nice and early. We were here at 6:10 and already some places were out of food. So.
I just wonder, there's like garbage bags everywhere, but I wonder, there's obviously still going to be crap left over, so is someone coming back at sunrise to clean up the beach?
Yeah. Sure. There's staff all over the place picking up trash and stuff and throwing it in these garbage piles, so not piles, but garbage bag piles. Yum, 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 yum. What's next?
Thank you.
Well, that was a delicious,
Free dinner.
awesome.
And we just ran into the German girls from last night.
What's up again, guys? Quick couple days here in Koh Samui. We're now off to Koh Phangan.